student. Today we start our chapter acid base and salt part 2. Today lecture is based on definition of pH, pH scale, importance of pH scale. Okay, you can see here. Yes. So the pH is defined as the negative log of H plus ion concentration is a mathematically can be represented pH is equal to negative log of H plus ion concentration. That large bracket indicate the concentration. In chemistry, concentration is represented by large bracket. What is the basic meaning of pH? So the P represent the potential and the meaning of potential is power and H is H plus ion. So the pH can be defined as the power of H plus ion concentration. As the H plus ion concentration you can see on the diagram, as the H plus ion concentration increases, if we move from 14 to 0, then pH will pH will decreases because it is a negative log. So H plus ion concentration increases, then pH will decrease. Okay, so less pH indicate that solution have greater H plus ion concentration. Okay, now we talk about the next, that is pH scale. So it is a ordinary scale. You can see here. This scale, if you see, having two ends, one is acidic end, another is basic ends, having graduation 0 to 14. Okay, at the 0 pH, the end present towards the 0 called acidic end, while the value showing 14 represent as a basic. The pH at 7, that is exact at the middle, called neutral pH. That means those chemicals which are lying in the range between 0 to 7 are treated to be acid, while those chemicals which are range in between 7 to 14 are treated to be bases. And one thing more to note here is, if we move from 0 to 14 towards 14, then acidic character get minimized while basic character will maximize. While if we move from 14 to 0 end, that means towards the 0 end or acidic end, then the H plus ion concentration is gradually increases. While if we move towards 14, then OH minus ion concentration will increases. That indicate that higher the H plus ion concentration, higher will be the acidic character. As similar, higher will be the OH minus ion concentration, higher will be the basic character. Come to the next. This is a common table. You can see here various products are shown along with their pH. Okay, from the examination point of view, you can see in our stomach gastric HCl has a pH 1.3. As similar, lemon juice having pH 2.2. As similar, milk has a pH 6.7. Pure water has a pH 7, not 7.4, 7 exact neutral pH. 7.4 is for blood, human blood. Okay. As similar, 1 NaOH has a pH 14, that is quite basic. As similar, 10th position, that is pH 10, represent the pH of milk of magnesia, that is common antacid, magnesium hydroxide. Next is importance of pH in our daily life. So in today life, we have great importance of pH. Okay, the first point related with this topic is sensitivity of plants and animals towards the pH. Okay, how plants are affected by pH. You know about the acid rain. The rain which is having pH less than 5.6 is stated to be acidic. Acid rain have very harmful impact on plants growth because they increase the acidic character of the soil and may result in poor yield of the crop production. While as similar in case of animals also affected by the pH. Next one is pH in our stomach. So it is a importance of the pH that utilizes in breakdown of food material, that is called digestion. So in digestion in our stomach, pH play a very great role. Gastric HCl that has pH 1.3 is lying in our stomach and carried out digestion of partial digestion of food materials. Next one is tooth decay due to the pH. We know that after eating food, before going on sleeping, uh, there are some small or tiny food particles which are just stuck to our teeth or our oral cavity. Okay, and due to anoxia condition, that means lack of oxygen, they undergo fermentation and releases carbon dioxide and some acids which are responsible for decay of our teeth. Okay, now next is pH in our self defense. So plants and animal may use this pH for their self defense. A specific type of acid, that is methanoic acid, that is chemically represented as SCOOH. Methanoic acid is allergic for number of animals. So nettle plant have a stings which contain methanoic acid, and if a person is interact with these stings of nettle plant, then allergic condition will be observed. Next case, that is bee and ants are also use defense mechanism by using this methanoic acid that present in their stings. Okay, come to the next topic, that acid base indicator. So what is the best main use of these indicator is that they help us to determine the acidic or basic nature of various chemical compounds by showing by showing change in coloration. For example, a red litmus. Litmus is available in lab in both color, that is red as well as blue. If we use red litmus paper, okay, or acid, then there is no change. But if we use this red litmus in case of base, then it becomes turned into blue color. That indicate that the given solution is basic in nature. As similar, if we dip a blue litmus paper in any acid, then it becomes red. That indicate that given compound is acid. As similar, turmeric is our natural indicator that found at your kitchen at every home. So turmeric originally have a yellow color, and if it react with the base, it will give a reddish brown. Come to the next, a red cabbage. Okay, red cabbage juice that is originally purple color, but with the acid, they will give reddish color. Naphthalene is colorless in case of acidic chemicals, while with phenol will give pink color with the bases. As similar, methyl orange is originally orange in color, but if it react with the acid, it will give turns into red color, while with the base it turns to yellow. So this acid base indicator table indicate that whether the given compound is acid or base by color changes. Come to the next, reactions of acid and base. So this factorial represent the various kind of reaction with the various compounds. For example, acid may react with the metal, and as you know that whenever a metal react with the acid or base, there is a gas is always evolved. colorless, odorless gas evolve, that is hydrogen. Okay, burn with the pop sound, that is hydrogen gas. As similar, acid is react with the base. That reaction is well known. That is called neutralization reaction that we already studied in chapter number first. Acid may react with the carbonate and bicarbonate to give carbon dioxide as a gas as one of the main products. Acid may react with the metal carbonate and hydrogen carbonate. So carbonate always releases on decomposition. The gas is CO2. Next is metal oxide may react with the acid to give salt and water as a main product. I will give I will provide the single examples of each type of reactions. You have to memorize these reactions till final examination. Come to the next reaction of the bases. So basically there are limited reactions. We mention only three kinds of reaction. When a base react with the acid, that is common reaction in between acid and base, that well known by the name neutralization reaction. Base may react with the metal to give hydrogen gas along with the salt. Base may react with the metal hydroxide. That reaction is so important. Okay, come to the next. These are the reaction. You can see here, when a metal is react with the base, it will produce hydrogen as a gas, that is colorless or odorless gas, burn with the port sound. Come to the next example, that is reaction with the acid, that is also known as neutralization reaction, where salt and water will be the major product. Now the third reaction, that is calcium hydroxide, which is well known. Base when react with the non-metal oxide, reaction with the metal hydroxide of a non-metal oxide, we have to correct it. Uh, a reaction with reaction non-metal oxide. Reaction with the non-metal oxide. That is the correct name for the reaction. You can see a reaction with the non-metal oxide, that is CO2. When this calcium hydroxide, that is also known as lime water in common name, that is chuna pani, that means lime water. When this lime water is generally used at our home for the whitewash, and when it reacts with the carbon dioxide, it will give a white precipitate, that is calcium carbonate. Okay, so the color of walls become white along with the product, that is S2. So these all are about the basic properties, yeah, reaction of gases with the different chemical compounds. Come to the next. So this is all our today lecture, and this is your worksheet. So you have to complete the worksheet. At the same time, there is another correction here. It's not a physics, it's a chemistry. Okay, that's it. So the first question is, pH is defined as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Next is acids are having pH less than 7, because we already studied the pH scale, while bases are having pH greater than 7. Next, write the pH of milk, blood, milk of magnesia, and distilled water. So milk having pH 7.4 approx, blood having pH 6.7 approx, while milk of magnesia having pH 10, and distilled water exact pH, that is 7 neutral. Fourth question is, if a solution having pH 8, then it must be a basic in nature. Question number 5, acid turns blue litmus into red because red have no coloration change. Next is bases turn blue, red litmus into blue litmus. So answers are as follows. You have to complete this worksheet and it from your NCERT textbook. If you have any doubt, you can write the comment. Okay, this all are about today lecture. Tomorrow I will start. Tomorrow I will start the next topic. Thanks you and have a nice day.